In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Asana tags. This is a straightforward process that can be completed in a matter of minutes, allowing you to manage your projects more efficiently. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Asana's login page. Once there, enter your credentials to log in, and you'll find yourself on the home page. This is the central hub of your workspace where you can get an overview of everything you're currently working on. Now, you'll want to locate and select the project you wish to work on from your project list, which is typically found in the sidebar or the main page, depending on your setup. After opening your project, the focus will shift to editing tags within that project. For this, click on the details of any specific task inside your project. This action will reveal all the information tied to that task, offering a comprehensive view. Now, pay attention to the section specifically designated for tags. Click on the tags that you see, and this will open up the tag editor. Once inside the tag editor, you'll notice an option to access a drop-down menu, often labeled as Actions or something similar. By clicking on it, you unveil a series of options pivotal for tag management. If changing the name of a tag is on your agenda, this is the right place to do it. Choose the Rename Tag option, and just like that, you can type the new name and confirm your changes. This straightforward step ensures your tags are always relevant and up to date. In addition to renaming, Asana offers a nifty feature that allows you to personalize the appearance of your tags by changing their color. This can be particularly useful for visual differentiation, giving you a quick visual cue every time you glance at your project. To achieve this, look for the Set Color option. A palette will present itself, and you can pick any color that serves your organizational purposes best. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your workflow. Now, what if you find a tag that no longer serves any purpose? Asana provides the flexibility to delete it. Within the same drop-down menu, there's a Delete Tag option. Keep in mind that before a tag is permanently removed, you'll be prompted with a confirmation window to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do. Be sure to think it over, as once a tag is deleted, it's gone for good. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit, rename, and manage tags in Asana. Using these steps will help you keep your projects organized and ensure that your team remains on the same page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on productivity software. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.